Hey, it's your digital art gal Penny. Here's a story all beginner artists know too well. You finally got your graphic tablet, you installed it successfully, everything is awesome. But then, you started using it and realized just how weird it feels. It's awkward and the stylus doesn't seem to match your hand movements, and it's just terrible. Yikes. Well, the good news is it's not you. We all need to customize our settings to suit our preferences. Not all artists are the same, so it's a given that we need to base our settings on how we work. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your graphic tablet settings. We are also going to meet 3 new words: pen pressure, tip feel, and tilt sensitivity. These terms are going to save you so much time and frustration, so make sure to stay till the end of the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open Wacom Tablet Properties. Make sure your graphic tablet is plugged in. Then, select your tablet in the tool options. The model of your graphic tablet is the one you should click on. After that, select the Pen tab. An image of a pen is going to be displayed on the tab. This is where we are going to customize our settings. It might look intimidating at first, but you only need to focus on 2 things. The first one is the current pressure or the pen sensitivity. This option can be seen on the left side under Tip Feel. Pressure sensitivity dictates how thick or thin your lines are, based on how much force you apply on your stylus. The higher the sensitivity, the softer your stylus will feel. The lower the sensitivity, the firmer. You can customize this under Tip Feel, where you can choose how soft or firm you want it to be. If you don't know which one to go for, try opening your digital art software and see which one of the 2 settings you're most comfortable with. Personally, I like going for the firmer option because I press hard on my graphic tablet. The softer your option is, the more sensitive or reactive your stylus gets. Why is this even important? Well, you need variations in line weight for better dynamics and an overall cleaner look. Having one line weight can make your art look monotonous. If you're wondering why your line art seems off, this is probably the setting that will fix that. The second important setting is tilt sensitivity. This setting changes how much the tilt of your hand affects your strokes. The higher the tilt sensitivity is, the more angular your strokes are going to be. This setting is important for shading because it's going to help make your stylus feel and act like a real pencil. Try experimenting with these customization settings and find which ones you're more comfortable with. Don't stop tweaking it until you find what works best for you. So, feel free to explore. It's your graphic tablet anyway. Thanks for sticking around! After trying out these tips, I'm certain your digital art journey is going to get better and better. Check the next video out as I teach you how to properly hold your pen stylus. These tutorials are extremely important. If you're not comfortable with your tools, you're going to find it hard to feel confident in your art. See you in the next episode and stay creative!